Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Okay, let's dive deep into troubleshooting and fixing the driver may be corrupted or missing error, code 39, in Windows. This error indicates that Windows cannot load the device driver due to corruption, missing files, or conflicts. It can be a frustrating issue, but with a systematic approach, you can usually resolve it. Understanding the error, code 39. When you see code 39 in Device Manager, it means problem Windows can't load the driver for the hardware device. Cause this can stem from several reasons, including corrupted driver files the driver files on your system might be damaged or incomplete. Missing driver files some of the necessary driver files might be missing from your system. Driver conflicts the driver may be conflicting with another installed driver or system component. Registry issues the Windows registry may contain incorrect or corrupted information related to the driver. Outdated driver the driver version may be old and incompatible with the current version of Windows. Hardware failure in rare cases, the hardware itself may be failing, making it impossible to load a driver. Malware infection